Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder that this video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today we're taking a look at Rise Broadband, an internet service provider that focuses on serving rural communities often overlooked by larger companies. Rise Broadband offers a fixed wireless internet solution, meaning they transmit data wirelessly to a receiver installed at your home, much like a satellite internet connection, but without the latency issues traditionally associated with satellite services. Their coverage area primarily spans the Midwest and Rocky Mountain states, so it's important to check their website to verify availability in your specific location. Rise Broadband offers various service tiers with download speeds ranging from 25 megabits per second up to 50 megabits per second, depending on your area. Upload speeds are typically lower, which is a common characteristic of fixed wireless technology. While Rise Broadband aims to provide a reliable alternative to DSL and cable internet in areas with limited options, it's essential to be aware of potential drawbacks. Fixed wireless performance can be affected by weather conditions, obstructions like trees, and the distance from your home to the transmission tower. Customer reviews regarding reliability and customer service are mixed, so researching local experiences in your area before committing to a plan is highly recommended. Pricing for Rise Broadband varies based on location and speed tier, so checking their website for the most up-to-date information is crucial. They often have introductory offers and promotions, so look for those to potentially save some money. Contracts and data caps may also apply depending on the chosen plan, so it's important to carefully review the terms and conditions before signing up. If you're in a rural area seeking internet options beyond satellite or limited DSL, Rise Broadband might be worth investigating. Just remember to do your homework and check availability, read local reviews, and compare their offerings to any other available providers in your area before making a decision. Your experience with Rise Broadband could vary significantly depending on your specific location and local infrastructure.